All right, y'all, this is cabin 3809 on Allure of the Seas. So as soon as you come into the immediate left is the bathroom, but I'm gonna save that for last. You have a full-length mirror, have a few shelves, artwork, king-size bed with some artwork above it. Right here is the closet. You got a safe, you got drawers. How they have this is really close to the bed, so you kind of got to maneuver putting stuff in here, but yeah. There's a light, end table. Come around here. There's another end table and the phone. You have a couch, table, another piece of artwork, mirror, TV, and if I'm not mistaken from YouTube videos, yep, you can swivel it just a little bit towards the bed. You have another mirror here, 3 outlets, more storage space here. You have a clock, more drawers here. You have a cooler. Keep in mind, this is a cooler, not a refrigerator. It's just gonna keep stuff cool. And yeah, it's an interior. It's free, and it's gonna do the job. Coming into the bathroom, you got the shower pod. Stepping in, you got the sink, toilet, more shelving. There's also some shelves down there for towels. Hooks right here, and then more towels here. You got 3 hooks on the bathroom door, which I like, so a couple different options for hooks. But yeah, this is our cabin, 3809 Allure of the Seas interior cabin.